Welcome to livingpianos.com. Robert Estrin presenting a Steinway Model A. What an extraordinary piano. It looks like it just came out of the factory. Yet this piano, believe it or not, was originally built in the year 1900, masterfully rebuilt in New York in 2009. The works, all Renner action, new pinblock, soundboards, the strings, the tuning pins, the reworked bridges, the beautiful finish, and what a work of art to behold. Wait till you hear the sound of this piano. It's a really special one. And I'm going to start off with a Scarlatti Sonata in C major. And the action weight is spot on. It's very gentle and responsive. Listen to some lyricism, and this is what makes a great piano, is when the tone life is so long that you can get a singing line where the notes last long enough to get the continuity. Listen to the beginning of the B-flat minor nocturne of Chopin. Made at a time when there were still hundreds of piano companies in the United States, and many people clamor for what is called the golden age, prior to World War II, when the piano was in its heyday in America. What a pleasure to play this piano. Let's just have one more piece of Chopin, an excerpt from the middle of his military polonaise, to hear what happens when you put some energy into the instrument. A sheer delight to play, a work of art to behold visually, a great Steinway all around, and the Model A, not made for most of the 20th century in New York. A pleasure to have such a great A for you. Again, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Free delivery anywhere in the continental US. Thanks again for joining me.